In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Excel to PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to seamlessly connect your Excel data to a PowerPoint presentation, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step to ensure your data is easily accessible and dynamically linked. So, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already done so, ensure that PowerPoint is installed and ready to use. Once it's open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add your Excel data. Having your presentation ready beforehand will make the process much smoother. Next, we're going to make use of PowerPoint's Object feature. Look for the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Under this tab, you should see an option called Object. Clicking on this is our next move. The Object option allows us to embed or link an entire file, such as an Excel document, into our PowerPoint slide. Now, in the window that appears, you'll want to select Create from File. This is crucial because it allows us to choose an existing file from our computer rather than starting from scratch. Once Create from File is selected, you'll need to click on the Browse button. This action will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to where your Excel file is stored on your computer. Take a moment to locate your desired Excel file within your folders. It's best to have your file well organized or placed in an easily accessible location to avoid delays. When you found it, select the file and click Insert. Now that you have your Excel file ready, there's an important step to consider. You'll see an option to check the box labeled Display as Icon. By checking this box, your Excel worksheet will be displayed as an icon, which can be more visually appealing and less obtrusive depending on the nature of your presentation. It also provides a neat placeholder on your slide that anyone viewing the presentation can click to open the spreadsheet. It's entirely up to you whether you prefer to display the entire sheet or simply the icon. Finally, the last step is to click OK. This confirms your selections and embeds your Excel file into your PowerPoint slide. By following these steps, you now have a linked Excel document within your PowerPoint presentation. The beauty of this method is that it allows your data to stay current and synchronized with your source file, meaning any updates you make in your Excel document will automatically reflect in your PowerPoint file, creating a dynamic link between the two. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to link Excel with PowerPoint, enhancing your presentations with dynamic data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.